Morning, guys. It's sunny, but very, very windy today. And I guess it's a little bit better than the night before. Yeah, the wind was blowing, so and it was raining, so I got up in the night, closed all the hatches. Kids always rolling around, so not the greatest sleep, but can't complain, eh? Gonna see what today holds. Don't really have too much planned. Look at that monkey there. Another one up there. Coming scavenging. Very windy, so don't really know what today holds. We'll see. But we'll play it by ear. See what happens.
He shared 2 of mine and they made me.
Those are cute little toes, eh? They're nice and dark and shiny, this one is. And this one's not as good. Dark and shiny. This one will be a good one. These rocks are special rocks because it's what Bushmen use to make their knives, their tools. So we're going to try and make one. I'm not very, very good at it, but let's try anyway. Let's try this one. See there? Oh, that broke, but didn't break in half. But it is still very, very sharp. Feel how sharp that is.
Yeah. It's broken piece. Ow! You had almost.
I'm scared I'm gonna get you guys in the eye with shards of rock. Ah, there, that was a good one. Feel that?
Ow!
If we get an animal, we can cut it up. Look at that.
York, that's sharp.
We're making a bush knife.
Wow.
Yeah, you know, here's your bush knife. Should we go hunt those monkeys now? You got your bush knives and your bush rocks.
Yep.
You're going to the rescue.
Yep. I'm gonna do the rescue. I'm gonna hit the monkeys away.
Yeah, we've been trying our best to keep these monkeys away.
Dada, there's one monkey trying to an apple.
Yeah, what did he try?
An apple.
Apple. Stole an apple. We're gonna ride up the hill, see if we can get some signal, see what the weather's doing, check in with everyone. I need to make sure that I've got a skipper on standby for Wednesday. And we just want to go for a drive. There's a spot that I've been wanting to get to for a while. I always see it from the boat, but it would be cool to see if we can get there via car. Can you get? Cruising to go and find Tulani's house. We asked them to make us some bread, and we are cruising to find some signal. I think there actually might be signal on this hill here. Let's quickly go check here. Over here? Right down here. Sheltered from the south. Dropped people off there before. It's actually, yeah, amazing how sheltered it is. Even if it's a big south swell, the south swell just pushes past like that.
Around.
Yeah.
Africa roads, eh?
It's exactly what happened last time, remember?
Yeah.
We were trying to get there. There's a little gully here and you can't get across it.
You gotta go all the way around. Tiny one.
Because
Okay, we got some signal. Drove up on top of the hill here. Got some signal. Let's quickly check in, see if everyone's surviving without us. Okay, we found a bit of signal and we found a little road. We're gonna test this one, maybe see if we can get across. We literally just need to get across to there, but we don't want to go all the way back up there. So the dead end, we just drove to someone's house. Turn around. third time lucky. We drove up the road behind us.
Goodness.
Okay, not much of a road, but we're going in the right direction.
Across that gully and found a little track that was much quicker. So, on our way. Wow.
There's a tiny one.
You know, remember I did it with you that one time when it goes around that wet area.
Okay.
Where's his car gone?
Yeah.
He's hiding here.
You are following me one from that side. I never made that.
What are you doing?
So we're here at Tulani's Muzi. Tulani, say hello to the camera there.
Yes, hello everybody.
This is Tulani, our good friend from Mtentu. He is always helping us out, and he's just built a little spot that he's invited us to come and stay at. He's coming through, so we're going to go and have a look at it.
That's good. That's good.
Here are Tulani's cows. How many cows do you have, Tulani?
Oh, I must count. I don't know. I think it's 30.
34. Look at the baby one there.
Oh, cute.
Are they all in here now, or some of them out at the moment?
There's 3 out.
I remember that.
Yo, you have a nice view, Tulani.
Sorry?
You've got a nice view, hey?
Yeah, the view is very nice.
Stop here, Tulani.
Yeah.
What you see, Humpy? Where are they?
You want to hold it? So you're these African chickens.
Yeah, these ones are hard to catch. These chickens are hard to catch.
Big cool.
Wow, look at that view, hey? Look at that view, guys. A 180-degree view. Yo, that's beautiful.
More concrete inside just to hold it.
Yeah. I really like this.
Very nice, Tulani. Very nice. A hard one. Just one, and then the kids can try it, Tulani. Or maybe 2, yeah.
2.
Oh, cool.
This is mine. Let me check mine.
This is my father's favorite one.
Mbona.
Yeah, his favorite, like this. When it's on the side of the road on the fire,
Okay.
and then he takes it. Oh, it's his favorite. Look, Tulani's giving us some mealies from his garden.
That's
cooked.
amazing.
We can peel them open and eat them.
That sounds incredible. Look at that, guys. The difference between mbona and like sweet corn.
Sweet corn is
The color is different and the taste, eh?
Mama, I want to buy.
Okay, we're peeling it. Tulani's laughing at me because I'm taking long to peel this.
And he gave Eli some.
Look like I took a hard one for you.
Yeah. So now you can peel them off. Right?
And you pick the pieces off.
Look like
a red.
you're relaxing back there with your feet up and you've got your mealie. Lucky boy.
What?
Yeah? What do you guys say to Tulani?
Thank you.
Say Siyabonga.
Sibonga.
Okay. Inkosi ngiyabonga nami.
What a nice snack. How clear?
Lucy.
Oh.
That is my potato.
Huh?
Maybe 1 hour maximum.
Oh, okay.
We're just gonna go down, look at the view, and then come back.
Okay. Alright.
Thank you, Tulani.
Pass to the ladies. I'm sure maybe the bread will be ready. I don't know. This
Let's
week.
check. Yeah.
Alright.
Thanks, Tulani.
Thank
Thank you for the millies.
Thank you.
My man. Alright.
See you now.
From the blood.
In my African element here. So good.
What?
Okay, just careful up ahead. There's a T-junction apparently.
What's that T junction?
Ponder boy.
The boat all the time, wishing that I could be here with you guys and the family in the car.
No, you are.
Oh my word, good spotting, guys.
Let's get some.
What good spotting.
Let's get some.
Oh ho ho.
Grace, you are a ninja.
What did you find?
Coming into Orial
Mutton?
Mutton gulus. Panda
Mutton
sweets.
gulus.
Dad, get the good ones. Get the nice.
Good spotting. Oh, look at these. These look so good. These look so good. Mutton gulus. Panda num nums. Edible, look highly toxic because they're bright red and they have this white latex that come out of them. This one's going to be sour.
What's this?
Julia, you want one?
Dad, this is my milk.
No, you can eat it.
Eat the.
And then like squeeze the inside. This one's really sour. And like squeeze the inside and suck. Okay, not like that. That's the best way. Like squeeze it as you. Yo, oh! Looks like I'm bleeding. Oh, yo, that's my Okay, we need this one after all because Eli does want one. It's a bit sour.
Dad, already on the ship.
Look at this view, guys.
What is that? Is that a peanut?
Guysy buys, check this view out.
There's a nice little guy rope for you.
Wow, zowie.
How's that, guys? How? Here we are. I've driven past here by boats hundreds of times. Always wanted to come here. But I'm glad we made the mission nonetheless.
Hello, everybody.
How's this road we found? This is a cool road.
Yeah.
There's a bird of prey there hunting mice in the grass. You still, guys? You bumping me? Can't quite tell what bird it is.
We were awake so good. Although you did go back to sleep for like another 5 hours, so well, another 3 hours.
You bonkheads.
Hope, are you falling asleep?
She's asleep. Yeah, and big busters. Turkey.
Okay, should we go say hello to that little cow? Hey, say it, wave to the cow. Wave to the baby cow. Happy with those cows back there? Yeah, you happy? Yeah, we're going to the veggie garden. The normal potato that side.
We've already taken them out. Yeah.
Okay. And you dig it with a spade, or do you have you pull it with the cow, or?
You put it in a car or you dig it. But I'm doing this with a tractor.
Oh, you have a tractor. I want to see you cut it, Lani. Okay, grab it, boy. Say close. You in the middle field with Tulani. Judah, you're going to come and work here for Tulani in this field. He'll put it in the bag.
Thank you. Thank you, boy.
Here we go. Asambe, you want to carry it? Yeah. Hey, thanks, Tulani.
Thank you.
Hey, we What do you say? Wow, thank you so much.
Bye, Moo cows.
Okay, we just went and got some mbila corn from Tulani's field.
Bye, baby cow.
And now we are going to go check if the bread is ready. They baked us a fresh bread, mpago, local bread cooked on the fire. And then we'll head back to camp.
What did you say, Grace?
Judah, did you pick this corn for us?
Yep, he did. In the
Really?
field. He picked it himself.
Wow, good job, Judah. Thank you.
Could you reach? Yeah.
You are hunter-gatherer today, eh?
I could go too.
Oh, thank you so much, Tulani. That's going to feed us so well.
You should have cut it and have a piece.
Oh.
Mine is hot.
Yeah. Thank you, Tulani. Thank you for having us. It's great to see you. Thank you for showing us your place and letting us see your
Thanks, my man. Okay, have a good journey and enjoy your bread.
Thank you so much.
Happy wave, say
Are you
hello.
shy? Are you too shy?
She's very, very shy.
Oh.
Let's
Bye.
Hello, Sito.
Sarah kakuhle.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
I'm sure she's going to wave when she's
Let's go.
Bye bye.
Come, Judah, come sit on my lap. Successful expedition. We got bread, fresh bread. We managed to see the forecast for tomorrow. It's looking like rain tomorrow. So I think with that forecast, it's no use hanging around to sit in the rain. I think we're going to pack up this afternoon and we'll head home.
You want to watch?
You looking, Hopi?
Alright, we are back at camp. We come bearing gifts of bread. What's that bread? Okay, the staff are cooking some mussels and rice. Who wants mussels and rice? No one. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, look at that.
Wow, that's big,
That's the
ready.
third one, eh? How big that piece of bread is.
I can cut it.
That thing's huge. It's bigger than Judah.
I can cut it.
You're gonna cut it. Yeah, let Daddy cut it.
No, I can cut it.
Let Daddy cut some slices. Oh,
Oh,
they're
Mommy.
fine.
Mom,
Gigi,
did
they're
it
fine. Here, have a piece of this one. Okay, let's try this, Judah boy.
Whoa,
Just tuck in while we're here.
But the neck of that.
There, taste that. Let's take- It's like a little bit sweet.
Yes, this is.
The same flour mix that they use for maguinha, which are those round
No, put
pet
on
cooks.
it.
Careful, my real fingers.
It's not broken.
Okay, just be careful.
I will. That did a big knife. That
Big
did a big bready.
Big bread. Yeah, let me have a try. Let me help you.
I can't see it. So, look. Look, Mama. Look, Mommy. Look,
What do
Mama.
you guys think of the bread?
Look, Mommy. Good.
Hey?
Look, Mommy.
Delish.
We're back for family.
If you're determined about something, you say I'm.
Adamant. Adamant.
Is very cushy and comfortable. You say it.
Soft.
Push it.
Hardware, software.
Yeah. Software. The game's called Taboo. H, remember to get this. It's a video game involving theft.
Oh my
Don't get also.
God.
What's this name for it?
GTA.
I got it wrong. GTI. That's a goal. I realize now when they said car icon goal.
What a
Yuppie.
game, man. So glad we got that on video. What is the real word for what Eli invented the word Bobby. What's the real thing?
Bobby.
No, what's the actual name of it?
Dummy.
Dummy!
Good
Oh.
job.
Twice.
Oh, it's actually Gracie.
There's a big one in the waterfront in Cape Town.
Ferris wheel.
Mommy.
Okay. Somewhere else. Packing the Yeti, packing the food.
Okay, so that's not going to go in there?
Wow.
Daddy, I found something.
Really? It's cow jaw. Cow jawbone.
Click in.
Yo, that was
Lovely to meet you. Have a wonderful rest of your week. Have a good
okay. Do we have everything, guysy bysies?
head count.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, you got it right. Well done. Thank you. Okay, guys, how was that holiday? That's good. This place is so stunning. What a treat, eh? Are they cute? You just can't find places like this anymore. Just kilometers of grasslands and nothing. It's all not the main route.
Yeah, well, we're on a different route here. Trying to find a shortcut that I know. But sometimes a shortcut can become a long cut.
Yeah, particularly in Ponderland.
But this is exactly why this place is so untouched. There's just hilly valleys and you get a lot of rain, so you can imagine if no one's maintaining this road, it's gone. See the other side there's a concrete road that goes up that hill because it was impassable before that.
This is the state of the road. See if Chris can get across. Yeah, that's a... Oi! Things are not looking so good down there. A little bit washed away there. So pretty. Something's something a little bit wobbly on the front. Oh no.
The shortcut is the long cut.
Okay, I'll figure that out. So much for shortcuts. No! Go back that way! Luckily he's so good at reverse hill starts. Shortcut, they said. And back up the hill we go. The other problem in these places is that if you're in a city, Google Maps updates you when there's a bridge that's broken or washed away. It doesn't happen here. Nobody lets you know that the bridge is washed away. Round and round we go. Maybe that's why Google Maps didn't give it as an option.
They're on too far of our way.
Let's see how we're gonna get them back across here.
Gracie?
Yeah.
There's a little baby here for you. Oh, the girls playing WrestleMania back there.
This is really centered on And it's well, it's interesting. The earliest heresies, false teachings about Christ, were not the ones that denied.
You want no
his
part
deity.
of this nonsense.
They were not the ones that denied his pre-existence.
They're cuckoo.
Or his creatorship, or all the things that he's
He's getting a tummy tickle.
confidence. You know, we can look back over 2,000 years as God has done this in history. He hasn't just.
Yay, back to the real world. Minutes from home. Kids have been so good. It's looking very gloomy, to use Eli's good word.
Yeah, very
And
good.
the rain forecast is saying even more rain for tomorrow, so I think it's just as well that we came home.
Yeah, otherwise we're in 2 days stuck in a tent.
And,
And, yeah, in the rain, and nobody wants that. Hiya! Surprise!
Hiya! What a big jump. How's your ear? Mealies? Where did you get them? You know how nice those are going to be. You just take you.
where did you get them, Judah? From the farm?
Yeah.
Did you go and pick them yourself?
Ah.
Alright guys, we're back home safely. We had a fun time. We hope you enjoyed the video. And
Join us for the next adventure!
see you next time.
Should we eat it? No.
Okay.
What do you say?
No. Barefoot farmer. Barefoot family.
Favorite family. Say.
Barefoot family.
And don't forget to.
Click, subscribe.
And to like. Bye. See you next time. Shakas. Shakas, shakas, shakas.
Yeah.